In the previous video, we had a look at the VLOOKUP function of Excel and we got the function from the help of ChatGPT. In this lesson, we have another table and we are going to get the first name and last name from column name and then place it in this small table. So what we are going to do is to ask ChatGPT to give us the first name from this column and place it under this first name here. So what we can do is to go to ChatGPT and ask the question from ChatGPT. Let me ask it, write a formula to get the text before a space character from A2. So this comes from here. In A2 we have John Doe and we want the text before the space character here, which will be the first name, and then we want to place it under first name here. So let's press enter and see what ChatGPT has to say about it, and it gives us the exact formula. Let's copy this and go to Excel, paste it under first name and check whether it's working or not. If I paste it here, and yes, it is giving me exactly this John Doe. Now what we can do is to drag it down and get all the first names from this table. So this is how we get help from ChatGPT. What if we want to get the second part of the name and place it under last name here? So go back to ChatGPT and say write a formula to get the text after, now this time we are getting after a space character from A2. If I hit enter, now it will give us another formula which is the right function, and let's copy this, go to Excel, paste it under last name, and yes, it is giving us the last name from John Doe. We can do the same thing to drag it down, and now we get first name and last name both from the name column in this table. So this is how we can use ChatGPT to automate our Excel tasks. What if I want to get the name from email? We can do the same thing. For example, let me add another column, name from email. And let's ask another question from ChatGPT. This time we will not be using A2, but instead we will be using B2 because the email is placed in B2. So let's go to ChatGPT and ask it write an Excel formula to get the text before the character at symbol. So we are getting text before the at, and that's it. Okay, let me give it the reference as well in B2, so we can get the exact formula, and it is giving this formula. Let's copy this from here, go to Excel and paste it there. John@gmail.com. Yes, we are getting the same thing. Let me drag it down. Camilla, Reese, Frank, John Clark and Johnson. So this way we can use ChatGPT to automate any Excel task very easily and very simply. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button, comment on this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so you can be notified whenever new videos are posted here. Thanks for watching.